Hi, welcome to health class. My name is Miss Harris. I will be your health teacher for this semester. I'm looking forward to getting to know you all on the Zoom calls. Every day we'll have a Zoom call for about 15 minutes or so. Sometimes we'll talk about the week, sometimes we'll have a short lesson. Please come on as much as you can. Our Zoom calls will be Monday through Thursday from 8:40 to 8:55, shortly after your math. If you have Mrs. Murphy for math, then it'll be shortly after her class. This is a great time to come and ask questions, get clarification, and a little more understanding on what we are learning for the week. This video here on my homepage talks a little bit more about me, which I will be doing as well on our first Zoom call on Tuesday, January 19th. We'll talk a little bit how to navigate the web page or the Canvas page. We'll talk about the assignments that I give out. We'll talk about the tests and quizzes that we have, and then practice getting onto some of those throughout the week to make sure that you understand where to find the reading, the assignments, and the quizzes as we go through this last semester. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. If you see any discrepancies on the page, also feel free to email me. Last semester, I was given a blank course that I had to create, so there's still a lot of bugs that need to be tweaked out, but I hope that we can get them all figured out this semester. If you ever want to jump on a Zoom call to listen into a live lesson with any of my in-class classes, please let me know and I will give you the link to get on to that Zoom call so you can actually get the lesson in person through that Zoom. I look forward again to meeting you all tomorrow and getting to know you.